Hey, good morning, everyone. It's summertime, so I thought I'd take it outside for this 1 Minute Wednesday. One of the things that I love about summer is like my kids are out of school, they're doing sports activities, summer camp, stuff like that. But the tough thing about that is they're off their routine. So they wake up different times than they normally would during the school year, go to bed at different times, they're in different places, summer camps, sleepovers, what have you. What we see sometimes is toothbrushing kind of goes by the wayside, rubber bands go by the wayside, but really, man, sometimes we're making a lot of progress. So what I really want you to do is make sure you're setting a time for yourself in the morning and the evening to get your toothbrushing done. With your rubber bands, just hammer away at those. Make a ton of progress in the summer. Get out those braces as soon as possible, guys, okay? All right, folks, have a great day. Take care.